Hi everybody, my name is Michael Saxton, and what you're about to see here is one of my new hobbies here. Basically what I've been doing for the better half of the last, I want to say, year and a half or so is I've been buying and restoring old antique vintage telephones. Now this includes telephones that were manufactured back in the day by Western Electric, Stromberg Carlson, ITT, Kellogg, and probably a few others as well that I'm not remembering at the moment. But in any case, this is a bunch of vintage telephones that I just picked up from a seller in Winchester, Virginia. As you can see, these are all quite dirty, and my plan is to clean up these phones and restore them both cosmetically and mechanically and get them back in working order and condition again, and then sell them for a profit. Now, I still have yet to go through each and every one of these phones. This is the condition that I got them in. According to the seller, these had sat in a barn for years. I don't really know how long exactly, but as you can see, they are all in pretty rough shape. Now, I do have a few that I've already actually started working on. This one over here, this is, I believe, a 2524, if I remember correctly. Yep, exactly. And this is probably going to be going to a customer of mine. Not too sure yet. Still waiting to hear back from them. And this is a, I believe it's, yeah, this is an ITT 554 wall phone that perhaps maybe your parents or grandparents had in their kitchens growing up. This was one that was very common back in the day. And this one over here is actually very unique because this is a business model phone. Typically the ones that you see are the 500 phones that are in this desk phone style. That being this one. That's an AT&T phone, or any of these. The difference with this one is a 502, and one of the ways you can tell that is this little switch right here. Let me see if I can get this. Yeah. So basically, this has what's called a hold feature, which you think is kind of unique for a phone manufactured in 1960. But basically, you would pull up, and this would be your hold feature, and you push down when you're ready to go back to your call. As you can see, I've already got this apart. It looks like somebody's already been in here, and it's been converted to use on a regular house phone. I can see some of the wirings have been cut here, and it looks like this is in fact ready to hook up. So I'm going to get this cleaned up. As you can see, it's in very rough shape. Oops, forgot I unscrewed some stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all the rust, repaint this, desanitize this, and give it a new life again, and hopefully sell it on for a profit to the next owner. Hopefully somebody else can enjoy it for many more years to come. And that's gonna be the idea of what I hope to be a new video series coming up. So stay tuned for some more updates. I'll keep you posted as I progress with these repairs.